Melissa here, and in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Oftentimes in this digital world, most local businesses are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring somebody is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can start doing to impact their business, still has those businesses raising their hands saying, I like you, Melissa, and please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take what I've shown you and tackle it for yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me start showing you these things that you can start implementing today. The first thing we're going to go over is content. And as you can see, we're on your website here, your homepage. And content, you really need to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content for Google to really want to crawl you guys and get you ranking up there. So that's something that's very easily obtained, something easy for you to do. And we'll go over here to one of your competitors, Peterson. They fall short of that content as well. However, they are outranking you. The same with Northwest Plumbing and Heating. They also fall short of that 1,500 words. But again, they are also outranking you. And let's go over here and see why that would be. So we're here on a little tool that I use, whitespark.ca. You can use that. I think it's about $40 a month for a plan. Just depends on what your plan is. And this shows you how many citations you have out there. And a citation is simply your business, your phone number, your address, exactly as it appears in Google. And that's would be listed in directories such as Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, places like that where people go to find, local plumbers here in this case. So here you have 11 citations. Peterson Plumbing and Heating has 62, Northwest Plumbing and Heating has 74, and Triton has 37. So they're all have a lot more citations than you do, and that's something that's very easy to get. It's very, very beatable. All you have to do is go into these directories and add your business and your exact address, your exact phone number as it appears on Google, and that will get those up. And ideally, you'd want to have 200 to 300 of those to really, really outrank your competitors and just to beat them by a landslide and be in that number one spot. And let's face it, that number one spot is where you want to be. So as you can see here, I've Googled plumbers in the Quad Cities, and you are not in that number one spot. So let's go over here and take a look and see what's going on. So on your website here, I plugged it into this tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. It's about $70 a month, depending on what your plan is. And we can see that you don't have the link juice. And that brings us to our third element, link juice. That's basically a backlink from another website pointing back to yours saying that you are the authority here in the Quad Cities in plumbers. And you only have 2 and just 1 referring domain. And you're ranking for 0 keywords. So if we pop over here to one of your competitors, Peterson, they have 605 backlinks with 147 referring domains and 456 keywords. So let's go look at the keywords they're ranking for here. So plumbing in Davenport, Iowa. You can see that is searched 150 times a month. So that's 150 potential clients you're missing out on. If you looked at plumbers in Davenport, Iowa, that's searched 200 times a month. That's 200 potential clients you're missing out on. And that's all very, very easily beat, very obtainable. All you do is you go in and you find out where these backlinks are coming from. Let's back up here, where these backlinks are coming from. And you just go in and you start grabbing them for yourself. Again, very easy to do. You click on backlinks there, and you can see all of these websites here that are backlinking to them. And you just start obtaining them for yourself. So we're going to close. We're going to go back over here to your home page there. And we're going to close and we're going to recap real quick what we went over. We went over content. You need at least 1,500 words to get you ranking up there. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of those to beat your competitor by a landslide. Again, citations are your exact business name, address, and phone number as it appears on Google. And the link juice that we just talked about, you're going to want to go grab relevant links to point back to your website and let everybody know that you are the authority here in the Quad Cities. And again, my name is Melissa, and I look forward to hearing from you. My phone number is 309-235-9255. That's my cell. Or if you'd want to call the office, that's 563-551-6354. I look forward to hearing from you again, and have a great day.